Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to remove supervision on Instagram. If you're trying to remove supervision on Instagram, the process is actually straightforward, but it depends on whether you're the teen or the parent. I checked this directly through Instagram's Help Center, and both follow almost the same path inside the app. First, open Instagram and tap your profile icon at the bottom right, then tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and go into Family Center. If you are a teen, head into your supervision or teen safety settings, tap the parent or guardian account connected to yours, select Remove Supervision. Instagram may place a 24-hour window where supervision settings remain active, giving you time to undo the request if you change your mind. Not everyone may see this delay yet. If you are a parent, go to Family Center, tap the teen account you supervise, scroll down, and choose Remove Supervision, then confirm. The teen will be notified immediately. Supervision also ends automatically once the teen turns 18. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.